All right. Hiya. I'm Ed. Ugh, this is weird. I'm starting a YouTube channel to help DIY bands, self-producing artists level up their recordings. There's a lot of information out there these days, but for me, there's no replacement for shadowing a professional in a recording studio. So I'm going to make videos with that in mind. I'm really going to try and focus on the stuff that I use every day when I'm producing and mixing for my clients. So probably no cheat codes, no like quick mix fixes, no like use this one plugin and it'll fix everything in your life. It'll pay your rent. None of that sort of stuff, just actually good techniques and really focus on like the ethos and the skills behind building up your ear and building up your like taste palette as a producer or a mixer or an artist even. So I reckon that'll be quite good. I hope it is. If you think it is, like and subscribe. And if you think it isn't, let me know why in the comments. Maybe be nice about it though. And if you get stuck with anything specific, let me know in the comments and I'll try and make a video about it. So that's everything for this video. Mix.